Jam and Gail in Happy World. Go, Jam! Dahan-dahan lang, ah. Wait. Oh. Oops. Go.
Wow!
Beautiful playground.
Wow, I love it.
Look, MM. Oh, sige. Sige, sige. Okay, go. Punta ka na doon. Slowly. Okay, I will wait for you here. Wow, beautiful indoor playground. Ano pa? Orange? Hahaha, wala. This one, white. That one, purple. This one. This orange.
La la la
Go.
la la.
Go to slide. Go MM, Rivian. Go na. Where are you, MM? Say hello. Okay. Yippee! Okay. Okay. Let's go. Lots of balls. Okay, what will you do? Oops. No, no. Look at me. I will show you how. Oops. Look at me. Wow. That is a flower. You need to hit the flower. Lucky. Wow, game over. My score is 5,250. Make frog happy. Okay. Another game. Hit the frog. Go, you can do that. Go, MM. Are you tired? Pagod ka na? Okay, blue. This one. Okay, orange. Go, MM! May also blue ball, pink ball, and purple. Go, shoot the ball. Oops! One, two, three. Dito ka tumingin. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you happy? Yes. Anong color niyan? Pink. Next one. Anong color yan? Purple. Okay. That one, anong kulay yan? Blue. Very good. Big balls. Oh.